right inside our app.js in our user effect. Now we want to get the user location. So to get the user location, the first thing that we need to do, we need the permissions to get the user location. So we're going to have a variable with the name status. It's supposed to be status here. Okay, so let's put it in braces. Is equals to await. So if this is await, it has to be an asynchronous function here. So what we can do, let's cut everything from here. So we want to create an asynchronous, okay, like that, and then we paste our code. So we are going to await location. So we already have our location right on top, which is this location, expolocation. Okay. Then here we're going to request foreground permissions. And that's the first thing. After that, we need to check if the permission is granted or not. Okay, so status granted. If it is not equal to granted, then we need to go ahead and set an error. So we need a state variable right on top. Okay, set error message. That's going to be our state variable, and then we are just going to say something like permission to access location was denied. To access location was denied, something like that. Okay, so let's go ahead, create this state variable right on top. So here we're going to have error, and this is the, so we're going to set this string to this variable if our permission is denied. If if we have like the permission, we're going to go ahead and get the location. Okay, so right at the bottom, we're just going to return like that, and we close. Right at the bottom, now we're dealing with this scenario where the permission is granted. So we're going to have let location. So here we're going to await location, and then we're going to get current position asynchronous. Get current position async. Okay, so after this, that means we will have our location. So once we have this location, we need to set it to the state variable that we created on top, this location variable. Okay, so here we need to call our setter, which is set location, and then we need to set this location that we have here to this variable. So that's all that we need to do to get the location. So we're going to save here. Okay, our location is now here. Not location per se. Let's try to just print the location after we set the location. So we're going to log location. Let's try to reset the application. So here we do have some kind of an error because we're supposed to get the request for permissions.